So, like, since the latest update, I guess boats are just broken, or at least mine is. Um. So you know, normal boat starts on fuel, but will it run on a shirt? Oh, okay. So shirts are good to go. Code lock?
Try the boats outside.
Alright, let's leave a code lock in there.
Hey, don't break a code lock in the boat. Those are expensive.
It
Oh, I
broke the
guess no,
code
they're
lock.
not. They're
Let's
not
try some
expensive.
gloves.
Better not burn my bandana.
Nope. I think they ran out of gloves. The bone knife.
Quiet on set.
Nope. Bone knife ran out. I gotta use the guitar. Oh no, you want your guitar. Use
Oh
the
no,
shirt.
I don't give a care.
Let's go see what else this will run on. Oh, you know, I might as well just leave it running. You know, those shirts. Pretty rare. Alright, it does run on the crude oil. I can show you. Binoculars. I guess we can use that too. See what else we got. Something obscure. Is that you? What's that? Yeah, this. Yeah. Bones. You want to go on a boat trip with bones? Actually, you know what? I should repair the boat just in case it's a magical boat.
How do you switch it?
Just drag the fuel out and place it on whatever. That's how I got
It doesn't do it. It's just for you then, or just that boat's broken.
All right, we have a nice boat then. I gotta keep it repaired. Okay, let's go on a bone adventure. Let's bring bones.
Here, can I just see if it's just you on that boat that's doing
But
this?
what if you break it and it never does it again?
Okay, fine. I don't even give a care.
Okay, well, some bones in there, and keep that fuel on you just in case it like doesn't work.
I just got some wood I gotta ditch.
Yep.
Okay. What do you have on you for fuel?
Bones.
One of those new bone motors.
The new bone motor. And it's a 2-stroke bone motor.
People will watch them like, oh, shotgun trap. We have a shoddy trap.
It's literally using the bones as fuel. Like it literally, I can watch it use it as fuel.
That's good.
That's I don't know. We need to lock our boat up. This is a magic boat. Like, what?
Now you broke it.
No, it doesn't make any sense. Why is their boat magic? So what I did to get this to happen was I got in the boat and I traded the fuel for a bone knife.
The magic school boat.
Yeah, and it literally just does this now with everything, all of it. I've never seen a 2-stroke be this reliable.
So we should probably learn that one, because then we can build like 10. Here, just a sec. There's a fucking like spider crawling on my leg.
You freaking out?
Yeah, we're good. Yeah. Oh! What the fuck? Oh fuck! It was a huge spider! Fuck!
Oh no.
Fucking hate spiders. Okay, I'm back. Oh, I'm not on the boat.
No, you're not. Still running on bones, though.
I'll be back in like a minute.
Juzz?
No.
I glitched out Rust so I can put whatever I want in the tank of a boat and it runs.
The tank of boat?
It's a two-stroke, runs on bones there right now. I'm putting all this away and I'm just gonna go try to do it in a random boat.
Okay, I'm just gonna put
Because I had to
something
use
here.
a bone knife in order to get it to work the first time. No, our boat's magical boat.
Awesome.
Little boat.
Little boaty.
Little boaty. I wonder how that happened. I wish we could replicate it.
We can't.
Okay, well,